What's up, guys? Is it good? Okay. What's up, guys? We're here at Eisenhower Park, San Antonio, United States of America. We're actually gonna be hiking a little bit. Armand, why don't you say some few words?
All I know is, baby, we're back. Got a better camera, a better setup. Oh, dude, we're gonna go hiking.
Yeah.
We're freaking
hiking?
Back, dude. It's been like
a long fucking
2
time.
years, a year and a half
for our 8 subscribers.
Well, so oh yeah, literally. So explain, dude. Changes real quick. Okay, so what do you do?
Yeah, so I joined the military, and it's just kind of exciting.
It's okay.
I was in training for a long time, but I'm finally back.
Yeah, you were gone for like the first time for training for like 4 months.
Yeah,
training
so it was
4 months.
It was like three months.
Training all in all was like about a year.
It was entirely about a year until now. Let's fucking rock it, yeah.
Yeah.
Man, it's good to be back though, man. At least to like fucking get back into it, you know.
I know. Me.
What are you up to, man? What are you up to? Let's hear it. I want to hear
so I got let go from my job. and then I got picked up by another job because of what had happened, you know, the reason the whole like shutdown and the reason that everybody was indoors for about a year.
COVID's a thing, man.
Yeah, so that all happened, and then we were filming before that, and I think like probably a few months took off, and then COVID happened. But me, I got let go of my job, and now for the past 4, 5, heck, maybe even 6 months, I've been a jeweler. So I'm actually a jeweler. Or a jeweler's apprentice rather. I'm learning. I'm learning the skill. Yeah.
I mean, you've gotten pretty good at it though.
Dude, I said let's get this hike started. Let's
run it, dude.
Let's go.
So we out here. I'm about to show y'all my. I learned some things while being in the military. So one thing you want to make sure of when you look at the ground. Bear's been through here. I know that. We're also heading due north. That's what the sand's telling me. Dirt, rocks.
So, Devon, how long is this trail? Roughly?
Roughly, I'd say, judging based off of the sand, I'd say probably like, I don't know, about 2 miles. Can you still see me?
Yes.
If I was wearing camo, you wouldn't.
So dumb.
Yeah, dude, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah, but it really is a beautiful day. Dang, dude. This thing is heavy. Yeah. This thing's like, look, hold that.
I just did shoulders today.
Like one arm
that, shoulders today.
Wow.
Yeah, so here in my garage, here in my backyard.
So as you can see, these
were put up by the natives.
Yeah.
These were, this is native territory.
Back, what do you say, like 1600s?
Well, judging from the gum on it, probably about 10 years ago.
Okay. Okay. So you mean Texas natives?
Yeah, Texas natives probably put that up. 10, 5, 6 years ago.
I hope the microphone is well. Guys, I'm not even kidding. This whole camera setup that you're now watching the video on, the camera itself was $3,000. Of course, I bought it back in 2019.
Where are we going?
This way. I
feel like it's not that way.
I feel like you're right. So I bought this camera back in 2019 for $3,000. And then I have a Rode microphone on it, and I got a Joby
what the fuck?
a Joby hand grip on it. Dude, we really messed up the trail. Look, guys, we really went
off the road.
We just went through there, and this is the trail.
That's why I tell you.
And we just went through there.
I make my own path.
Okay, guys. So according to the Did you hear that?
Yeah, what was that?
It was a bear, dude. It was a bear.
Yeah, guys. But like I said, like 8,000 times as much as our Armani, it feels good to be back. Kind of recording, it puts you in like this weird like feeling of like people are gonna judge us. I don't know, it's just kind of funny.
So what happened, Devon?
Yo, we went in a fucking circle. Yo, I fucking called it. I told you.
We ran. I mean, not ran.
Now we're walking.
We were walking on the
Running
trail.
slash walking, running.
So apparently there's an end to this trail, and we, I suppose, took a wrong turn and came to the entrance of the trail. And so we had to just run all the way back. Not fun. Not fun.
Not fun.
Oh my gosh.
God damn it. I just want to get to the top. That's all I want. To the top!
Guys, we're exhausted. Dude, we're tired.
We have no food, no
We're
water.
sweating. You said to me earlier, you what?
I don't know how long we've been out here, dude.
I don't
My
either.
watch, it's out of battery. I don't know how much longer we can take. We just got to keep checking for everybody out there wanting us to succeed. It's for you. It's for you. Let's go. Got it. Got it.
So, I kind of gave the directions whenever we got to this sign.
Armani, we went right.
And so we came up this way, right? We came up this trail at first. Came up this trail, and this is the sign. And we went right.
Fuck you. Let's want to get to the top. Let's go.
My bad. One thing after another. So we just ran into a guy, and Devon asked him, he was like, hey, how much further till we get to the top? And the guy looked at us and said, we're at the top. Like, dude, this is it. This little trail's it, dude. Wait.
Let's loop and get out of here.
Okay. Okay.
You know, it's not every day that you come into Eisenhower Park and expect to enjoy a nice hike. Today's not that day. You see, we actually were quite disappointed with what we found. Nothing. Just nothing. No trails, no laughter, and of course, no love. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day. And then that's when you cut it off. Come on. Come on.
All right.
But yeah.
So yeah, dude.
It was a good- it was a good hike
We
overall,
finished the
though.
trail. We
It was
I
long
don't
as
know.
fucking forever. It was like we were walking 4 miles. 4 miles. That's pretty good. That's
I
pretty
don't know.
good.
No, it's probably like 5 miles
Okay,
that
let's
we
say
did.
it was about 6.
Because of okay, no, if we round up, it was probably about 10 miles that we completed, that we did.
Oh wait, are you talking about like entirely? Because it was
Yeah.
10 miles going, 10 miles back.
Oh, but I think because we got lost, I think it was an extra
we had
5,
to-
so it was probably like
we had to run back.
So 10, and then we did an extra 5, so that's probably like
So
25.
about 30 miles.
Yeah, about 30 miles.
Yeah.
Yeah, that we completed.
I
Yeah.
think so. That makes the most sense.
Dang, dude, 35 miles.
All right.
Wait.
Well, all right, guys.
Oh.
The camera's really close to my face, but it was wonderful getting to know y'all. Great flight. Learned a lot.
What? Okay. Okay, so yeah, that was the end of the day. We went hiking. It was pretty successful, I would say, even though I wasn't satisfied with the actual hike. I'm just kidding, dude. It was a good day. It was good. We had fun. And it's so good to be back. I'm so like energized, dude. I just want to make more videos. Just sign us off. Sign us off.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us today, and we will see you in the next YouTube video. I fucking added my own sound effect.